everybody, Tig to the T-I-G. I'm coming back at you with another video that you're really going to like this time. I guarantee you're going to like this one. And what it is I'm getting a lot of cards and letters from people all over the world by the hundreds. People wanting to know what Tig to the T-I-G looks like without all this stuff on right here. Well, I'm telling you right now, you're fixing to get your wish. And you're going to get your wish right here in this very video. Because in just a minute, you are going to see me naked. That's right. Tig to the T-I-G. Hope your eyeball stays in their head. Because if it don't, it ain't my fault. But anyway, here we go. Alright, I'm back. You ready to see me naked? You ready? Here we go. Are you ready?